cord and the veil. Kasi kapag hindi yan naisauli or nawala, it is the responsibility of the bride and groom to either replace it or to pay for it. Hello po everybody! So sa video ito, sasagutin po natin ang isang tanong na kinoment ni TVJJOWAPAO. I'm not just sure how to pronounce it, but I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video and also for dropping your comment. Now this is the question. Kapag ni-remove yung cord, sino maghahawak ng cord? Yung babae or yung lalaki? At kanino ibibigay or hahawakan lang ng secondary sponsor? Now, let me answer this to the best that I can po. Now, based from my observation and also the experience, so far, walang specific rule yung simbahan as to who will hold it before the ceremony and after the ceremony. So, wala po siyang specific na rule. However, it is important to note po na as partners, as secondary sponsors, you need to discuss among yourselves kung sino yung maghahawak prior to the significant event or to the significant portion of the Mass and then after. So any of the two of you can hold on to it, most especially after. And kanino siya ibibigay? Now, first is, this is actually one of the roles of the maid of honor, yung pagta-take care ng Bible, ng coin, ng lahat ng gagamitin for the wedding. So it is actually the responsibility of the maid of honor. But I understand that most especially after the ceremony, medyo busy na rin yung maid of honor to assist the bride to assist the bride. So if the maid of honor is not available, you can actually give it to any of the parents, either the parents of the bride or the parents of the groom. But if busy din sila, most especially for their turn sa pictorial, if ever may wedding coordinator sila, it is important to return it to the wedding coordinator. This is actually for both po, the cord and the veil. Kasi kapag hindi yan naisauli or nawala, it is the responsibility of the bride and groom to either replace it or to pay for it. However, yeah, similar din, mabibusy din yung coordinator. If ever po that is the case, then you, as the secondary sponsor, you will just have to hold on to it until you arrive at the reception area, or mostly if ever if ever the reception is not in the house of the bride and groom, then in the reception area, kapag hindi na busy yung bride or groom or yung maid of honor, then you can give it to them. But if ever they are still busy, then any of the family members will do. And kasi ito din yung nangyari sa amin binigay lang ng secondary sponsor sa family namin. I forgot who accepted it, and then yung family namin yung nagdala na sa bahay. And then sinafe keep lahat yung mga gowns, including the veil, the cord, and all the things used sa wedding. So I hope po this will help you, but also for those who are able to watch this video, if ever there are things that I just didn't know, please feel free to drop in the comment below. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, everybody.